Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream like Starbucks. To achieve that signature taste and texture, you'll need a few key items. Start with 1 pint of cold, heavy cream, ensuring it has a high milk fat content. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of vanilla syrup, not extract, and a whipped cream dispenser with N2O chargers. These specific ingredients are crucial for replicating the Starbucks experience. First, make sure your whipped cream dispenser is clean and chilled. Carefully pour 1 pint of very cold, heavy cream into the dispenser bottle. Next, add 2 tablespoons of vanilla syrup. This syrup provides the distinct sweetness and flavor. Securely screw the dispenser head onto the bottle, ensuring a tight seal to prevent any cream from escaping during the next steps. Now it's time to charge your dispenser. Place one N2O charger into the charger holder. Screw the holder onto the dispenser's intake valve until you hear the gas release into the cream. Once charged, shake the dispenser vigorously for about 10 to 15 seconds. This helps the nitrous oxide fully incorporate, creating that light, airy texture we're aiming for. To dispense, simply invert the bottle and press the lever. You'll see perfectly fluffy, Starbucks-style whipped cream emerge. Dispense it directly onto your favorite coffee or dessert. When you're finished, store the charged dispenser in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 10 days. Remember to give it a gentle shake before each subsequent use to maintain its ideal consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.